Good morning, students. Today we are reading the poem The Road Not Taken by the Robert Frost. It was taken from the book Beehive of the ninth class. So, in this poem, what is this poem? That the road not taken. Okay, so we will discuss it later. So, this poem has a very deep meaning. Deep meaning in the sense when we are having the choice means we want to become a doctor, engineer. So this is about our career, or another decision we can also say about when we are on the point when we having the two decision whether I do this or do this. So this is the this way. And after the times, ages and ages, you can say after a long time, when you get the success, you will take a big shy, means you are will be very happy in your life. But if you have taken a wrong decision, at that moment you will be sad about it. So in this poem, the poet wants to tell us that whatever the decision in your life you are having about your career or anything, so you must be take a perfect decision about it. Okay, so in this poem we will read about it. The two roads diverged in yellow wood. Okay, so here what, the two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Here means diverged means what, divided. Okay, and yellow wood, yellow means it is a season of the autumn. Okay, so at that moment what happens, all the leaves they fall down and they become yellow due to the autumn season. Okay, and sorry I could not travel both. Okay, and be one traveler long I stood, I looked down as far as I could to where it bent. Bent means curved, mode आना. Undergrowth, bushes means dense forest of the trees here. So in this what happened here, the poet telling us that the two road diverged in yellow forest. This is the season of the autumn, and here two roads that are diverged means divided into two parts. That road is divided into that into two parts like this. Okay, so and sorry I could not travel both. And poet was feeling that he was sorry for that he could not travel both this road, and be one traveler long I stood. So at this point I stood there. Okay, and looked down as far as I could. So he looked so far, means he looking into the forest, and where could he see? So what he see, to where it bent in the undergrowth and the curve, जहाँ पर कर्व आ जाता है मीन्स तो वहाँ तक वो देखता है. एंड ही वॉज लुकिंग एट द रोड, विच रोड शुड ही टेक. रोड मीन्स ही वॉन्ट्स what decision of his life should he take about, it can be a career. Okay, so in this way he was looking at his career. Okay, and to then took the other as just as fair. Okay, as just as fair here. Okay, as just as fair means good, yeah, both the path looked similar. Okay, and having perhaps the better claims means here he having demand. So perhaps means maybe, because it was grassy and wanted beer means torn out, मीन्स उस पर कोई चला नहीं है, घिसी हुई नहीं थी. ओके, दैट यूसेज ओके यूज्ड नहीं हुई थी. दो एज फॉर दैट पासिंग देयर and warm them really about the same. And warm here worn means that is damage frequently used, मतलब घिसी हुई थी. Okay, and again then took the other as just as fear means when he see that other both paths look the same. Okay, and having perhaps the better claim, and he was looking कि which one will be better, कौन सी अच्छा रहेगा. सो बिकॉज इट वॉज ग्रासी एंड वॉन्टेड वियर मीन्स जब उसने देखा कि दिस दिस रोड बोथ दिस वॉज टू टॉर्न आउट, ये जो उसको ऐसा लगा कि ये जो है ज़्यादा इस पर चले हुए नहीं हैं लोग. सो he want to decide that he will go on this way. Okay, though as far for that the passing there and warned them really about the same, but when he go jab pass he is going on this road, after that he looks that कि दोनों पे तो सेम ही है, दोनों सेम ही है, मतलब दोनों सड़कों पर सभी जा रहे हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इस पे कम है और उस पे ज़्यादा है. ठीक है. सो ही पॉइंट ने देखा कि दोनों ही रोड जो है इक्वली ही हैं. ओके, सो एंड बोथ दैट मॉर्निंग इक्वली ले in leaves no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. What happened? He equally lay means this equally lay mean appeared same. Okay, and no steps had trodden mean no change in the shape. Okay, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way one way leads to another, I doubted if I should ever come back means leads to another way. This is the transverse path. Okay, in this poem what he wants to convey the message that and both that morning equally lay means when he in the morning when he saw the both this path look the same. In leaves no step had trodden means इस पे जो है leaves जो थे पड़े हुए थे, not trodden means उनको जो है कुचला नहीं गया, not crushed. Okay, and they had not that leaves had not become black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. So he think that I travel in this way and I will travel to this another day means I will be see this path also some other day, yet knowing how way leads to one to, but it can't be possible when you choose one way when you career, so you cannot come back. Okay, so this leads to another and again this to another means in this way कि एक रास्ते से फिर आप आगे आगे अपना चूज़ जो है करते रहते हो है, सो यू विल नॉट बी कम बैक टू दिस पोजिशन. ओके, सो आई डाउटेड इफ़ आई शुड एवर कम बैक. सो कभी हो सकता है कि इफ़ यू आर बिकम द डॉक्टर एंड यू विल बी कम टू द योर +2 एंड अगेन you will thinking that I want to become an engineer. So this is not possible. Okay, so this is impossible. So the poet is saying that you should very careful about your options when you have to take the any decision in your life. Okay, so I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh means say deep breathe. It can be of what? Happiness, sadness. Okay, so in this way, somewhere ages and ages, hands means here result. Okay, here result. Okay, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. So which one he chose, which was less traveled by, and that has made the difference, and that made the difference something which has a lot of effect on the result. Whatever he choice in his life, एंड द रिज़ल्ट इज़ वॉट दैट मेक्स द डिफरेंस. तो जो भी उसने अपने लाइफ का जो है डिसीजन लिया था, तो उसमें जो है क्या हुआ, फ़र्क पड़ा ना. सो वॉट ही टेल, आई शैल बी टेलिंग दिस विद ए शाई, मीन्स when he will tell somewhere ages and ages, means when you have take the decision, जब आपने अपने ज़िंदगी का फ़ैसला की कर लिया बहुत साल पहले, एजेस एंड एजेस, एजेस एंड एजेस मीन्स साल, बहुत साल के बाद आपका जो रिज़ल्ट आया, मीन्स यू हैव टेकन इन योर लाइफ दैट आई वांट टू बिकम ए डॉक्टर और अदर थिंग यू हैव बिकम इन योर लाइफ एंड you are not in success in that. So in that time you will take a long deep breath that काश मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में वो कैरियर अपना लेता. And if you having a good, means you are become a army officer, so you will tell with a long deep breath that I have taken a good decision. मीन्स बहुत साल के बाद जब आप बन चुके हो, तो आफ्टर दैट कि आपने बहुत अच्छा फ़ैसला लिया. ओके, सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर कैरियर. किसी को दुख होता है, किसी को क्या होता है, खुशी होती है कि आई हैव टेकन द decided about our career that is right one. So two roads diverged in a wood, here and I. So he was recollecting the past, means he was thinking when he was starting of his career, जब उसने अपनी कैरियर की शुरुआत करी थी. दिस इज़ द रोड डाइवर्स्ड इन ए वुड. सो दो रास्ते जाते हैं, एंड ही कलेक्टेड व्हाट, राइट चूज़ किया. So he is success, and other person who choose another one and he is unsuccessful. So in this way I took the one less traveled by, and उसने कौन सा रास्ता अपनाया, which was traveled very less person travel on that, and that has made all the difference. And this makes the difference, something which has a lot of effect on the result. मीन्स आपने अपना रिज़ल्ट क्या आया, यू हैव सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ एंड यू आर हैप्पी नाउ, एंड समवन हु हैव टेकन रॉन्ग डिसीजन ऑफ देयर लाइफ, सो दे आर सैड. सो दैट मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस. ये सब उनके जो है लाइफ में जो है डिफरेंस हो गया कि उनकी लाइफ क्या हो गई, कोई खुश है, कोई दुख है. सो इन दिस ही वॉन्ट्स टू टेल दैट I have in the beginning of the line I have told you about that as a deep thought. This is the deep thought about the road not taken. Okay, so this is the road not taken by the Robert Frost. Okay.